The model page offers a user-friendly, structured summary of trained models. It includes key information such as the model's type, source datasets, the number of classes, and the underlying architecture. The user can filter the models by their type using the All Types drop-down menu. The list will update automatically once a type is selected. Models can be sorted by their creation date or name. To view additional information about the model, click the Details button. The Model Details page offers a comprehensive view of the model's performance and setup. Users can find the main validation outcomes, configuration specifics like the resolution value and whether tiling is enabled and the total count of classes. Key performance indicators are also visually presented through model loss and intersection over union graphs. To save a graph view as an image, click the Save icon, then select the desired directory. Own your AI with ReliVision.